Good morning, dear children. Dear children, we are on the next topic of the chapter, which is political radicalism and economic crisis. So, children, we in the previous topic we have discussed the effects of war. What effects does the war had on the Germany? So now we will talk about the political sphere and the economic crisis which took place in the Germany at that time. Now, children, after the birth of Weimar Republic, fine, now people were not happy with this, so they were searching out for different alternatives. They wanted something else, some other organization to work on their behalf. So it gave rise to Sparcist League. Fine, so here we can say that Weimar Republic had it was a match between Weimar Republic and Sparcist League. Fine, so they had a versus between them. So this Sparcist League, it was based on the pattern of Bolshevik revolution which took place in Russia. They have a Soviet, they were demanding for the Soviet style of governance. Fine, whereas you know that Weimar Republic, their ideology was democratic and republic. Fine, so these changes. Now what happened? Now people were opposing this Weimar Republic. Now who's going to oppose this um, Sparcist League? Obviously the person who are in favor of Weimar Republic. So who were opposing them? Socialists, Democrats and Catholics were opposing this Sparcist League, and they met at Weimar, and they wanted a democratic republic style. Now Weimar Republic, as it was in power, it wanted to crush this uprising organization with the help of war veterans, which the soldiers which fought First World War, and they took help of them. They were known as the Free Corps. Fine. So the Anguish Sparcists later founded. So these Sparcists, they later founded the Communist Party of Germany also. So these communists and the socialists, they had conflict in between. So because of that conflict, what happened? This conflict was not at all coming to an end. So there was a vacuum created. So that vacuum was, who took the advantage of vacuum? So the Hitler took advantage of that uncompromisable conflict which was prevailing in the Germany at that time. Now children, we will talk about the economic sphere. What happened to Germany economically? Now if you talk about this, so this radicalism, this political radicalism, it encouraged the economic crisis on a large scale. In 1923, Germany was facing lot of economic crisis after having a war. Obviously Germany had fought the war by taking loans. Now they are paying those reparations, those whatever wrong they have done. They are depleted with their gold reserves. They do not have much reserves, or they have emptied their gold reserves. In 1923, because Germany was not having money, so they refused to pay the compensation of 6 billion pounds. Okay? So they refused to pay that. In answer to that, French occupied the leading industrial area which was known as Ruhr, just to just show Germany that we are going to do this because you are not paying the compensation. So Germany, it did not reacted back. What did it do? It started printing paper currency notes on a wide scale. without knowing what is going to be the consequence of this. So money, printed money was in a big circulation, and children, the German mark, means the currency of Germany, it fell drastically. Uh, as compared to the US dollar, it was, even it came into millions and trillions. So the, German mark collapsed very badly, and because of their currency fall very badly, the prices of goods soared there. Fine. And because of the high prices, you can see the images here, how if they want to buy a loaf of bread, figure 4, they had to take money in big bags for just buying a loaf of bread. Means everything became so costly. Fine. So this was a situation when the world is very looking very sympathetically towards the Germany. The crisis, they were known as hyperinflation. Means inflation is there, high increase in prices, but it was hyperinflation. So it was a situation when prices are phenomenally very high. People were very, tensed what to do, what not to do. Eventually, a help came for Germany. Who gave this help? The Americans. They gave a help Germany. They introduced a Davis plan. In that Davis plan, they reworked on the terms again for the reparation, means for the compensation which they were paying of 6 million. So they just gave them financial ease, fine, to Germans. It was a big help from US side. So children, here US came as a help for the Germany. So this was all about this topic. Now we will continue with the next topic in the next module. Thank you and have a nice day.